what's going on, guys? It's JR with Palm Harbor Homes here in Victoria. I wanted to reach out to you because I've had several people reach out to me asking about land with their home. They reach out in concern of not having a place to put the home or not sure if they can afford land or if we even offer land. So I wanted to let you guys know that whenever you guys come out to look at a home or you're looking at a home online, we do offer land home packages. So what we do is you come out and you pick out the home that you like, and then we send a max amount to finance to the lender, and they come back with a number that we can spend on land, home, and improvements. And the improvements are all the things that go on the property that are necessities to having a home out there, like septic, electric, well, foundation, driveway, stuff of that nature. So whenever you get that max amount to finance, we basically go shopping with that number, and we'll pick out the perfect piece of property and then send contractors out to get bids on that property. So not having land is not a deal breaker. If you don't have land, we can help you look for land even. So it's just something I wanted to share with you guys because a lot of you have been asking me about that. This video is currently being filmed in the LaBelle. We've been in here before, and I wanted to give you guys another tour of it. It's one of the biggest houses we have here on our lot. It's right at about 3,000 square feet. It currently sits as a 4-bedroom. We can build it as a 5-bedroom, and it is 3 bathrooms. Alan, if you'd show them around, and I'll meet you guys back up here. What'd you guys think? So if you're looking for a home, not sure where to put it, reach out to us. Come take a look at some houses. We can help you find land, and we can go over all of your options. So don't let not having a place to put the house stop you from coming to check out what we have to offer. If you guys got any questions, you can shoot me a message on here, or shoot me a text, or give me a call at 936-730-8734. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Y'all have a great day.